Okay, so we've already done a video where we opened the Bigfoot 50th Anniversary 5-pack of monster trucks. Now
we have a playset.
Now there's a playset that they came out with, of course. Yeah. And this is a 2-in-1. So we have a loop and flip trophy challenge. They do give you this cool Bigfoot 50th truck again. So this one is blue and gold. Of course, we had our other one, which was all gold.
All gold? Just like, so if we combine these two.
Yeah, I think Hot Wheels has actually got a Bigfoot like this, or Bigfoot is running in Hot Wheels similar to this right now, with this blue body and gold trim. So, all right, let's get in and let's open it up and let's put it together. We did not put this playset together yet, so let's do that now.
Right now!
Okay. All right, so here is the new Bigfoot, all freed up. Well, we took down 6-lane raceway, otherwise we could have a nice little quick race between the two Bigfoots to see who's faster. Andrew also got, well, he's putting the stickers on here. Andrew also got another Bigfoot for his birthday here, and this one is the all-orange Bigfoot. Yeah. Obviously not the 50th anniversary.
A few moments later.
All right, so this is the loop setup right now, okay? So this piece up here holds the loop or the flip together, so you can pull this down, all right? And then you can turn that over, and now is here. So this goes this way. All right, so it stays attached, and then we just have to rotate this arm around, and then it's set up for the flip.
Yeah.
So the flip's gonna come back at you, all right? Okay, go ahead with Tiger Shark.
Oh, what happened?
You didn't get enough speed.
What?
Okay, here, let's move this closer to you here, real quick.
3, 2, 1. Oh, my finger was in the way.
Oh, there we go, that's why. There you go.
Oh, third place!
You got third, okay. You
Third
landed
place.
one.
Bone shake off! Bruh. Maybe he's too heavy. Oh, third! What?
Just gotta get good leverage on that launcher.
Third! Bruh.
Bruh.
Meteorite. Third! What? The brand new Bigfoot!
There you go.
Second!
He goes a little bit farther.
Bigfoot! Oh, gold! Third!
All right,
Nobody never made it.
Here, let me try one here. Okay.
Okay. Second!
Oh, even Dad got second on it. Okay, let's try that again. Oh, went past. Okay.
That's full power.
Full power.
Third!
Well, we were just at like an arcade, so I feel like there is some skill level to this. You have to get the right amount of pressure on the launcher to get it, but it is possible to go past the cup. So,
Ah!
all right, you want to do the loop?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's show the kids how you hold it back up. Okay, so up here, it's real important. You have to hold that and then push that over and kind of snap that into place so it holds the loop. Okay, and then you just have to swing this arm around here. All right.
Tie your shorts up first.
All right, let's go. Nice.
Seconds.
All right, let's go.
Seconds.
So is it easier to do the loop than the flip?
Yeah.
Okay.
Boom shaker.
Oh, spoke too soon.
Not enough speed. Stop alarm. Oh! Coming out short.
Bruh.
Bruh. So I get a third.
All right, let's try Bigfoot.
Bigger Rex.
Oh, you're gonna do. There he is.
Second. All right, Bigfoot.
There he is.
Second. Bigfoot. I'll go. Bruh. Okay.
Oh, I think you're getting too far away from it. You're hurrying up too much and losing your leverage. Here. Let's make sure he's in. Let me try this one.
Second. Got it second.
Okay, so it is possible to get him in there. Okay, let me see this Bigfoot again. I'm gonna try to get Bigfoot in the first. Okay. Oh, second. Is first just a dream?
What is happening? What second and third?
All right, let me try it with my other hand because I can get better leverage since I'm over here. All right, 1, 2.
First.
There we go. First place.
No, really. Maybe it's this hand.
Yeah, try it with your other hand.
This hand?
Is that the one you've been using?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I use this one.
Okay. Second. That's okay. I'm sure you'll get it. I bet if we put this on the ground, you would have more leverage on it and you could get it. It's just that it's up here on the table, so it's a little tall. You can't get the power on it. You want to try it? There you go.
Kids.
You want to try a power smasher in it?
Yeah.
All right. Here's a power smasher tiger shark.
Tiger Shark.
Oh.
What is happening? What is happening?
Got to be smooth on the hit. Here, let me try tiger shark. See if it's.
Oh, you made it in second.
He did, but he fell out.
But he fell out.
Brah. Okay. How about let's try sneakerhead.
Sneakerhead, yeah, sneakerhead.
He's got some weight to him. The power smashers are a little lighter, I think. There you go. Try him again, because I didn't really even get to film that. There you go.
Second. Try maybe first. Second.
All right, let's try this again. Let's try this on the floor.
Yeah.
Okay.
More better.
It's more better.
Tiger Shark. Tiger Shark.
Okay, go ahead.
What? Okay. What? Oh! You made it in second, but you fell out. Second! It's Tiger Shark.
Right.
Ball
Yep, go ahead.
Oh, he made a second, but he fell out. What? This is it. Second is bone shaker. Five more.
Yeah, we'll just bring them all down here for you.
Here we go. Third. It's all on. Up next is Mega Roots. So Mega Rex is kind of heavy. Second! Second is Mega Rex.
Nice.
Alright. Bigfoot! That goes with the playset. Second!
There you go.
New leader! Bigfoot! 50th anniversary Bigfoot. Oh, gold! Bruh. Oh.
There you go.
Second!
Hey.
Oh, third is these guys. What? Nobody made it in the first.
Oh,
Alright, let's check at the loop.
flip.
What?
Yeah. Actually, before you do that, you want to swing the cups over first. And then you unhook that. Okay.
Swing it?
Yeah. Alright, and that's about as far as it goes. It doesn't completely go parallel with it. Because the
Alright.
flip is at an angle.
Tie your short. Go. Up. Third. Third. Oh, you made it in third, then made it in second.
Oh, okay.
Made it third or second. So we'll give it to third. Bone shaker. What?
Oh, you got close on that one.
Close. Ah. Second.
Nice.
So
I will say when you're launching it, you're kind of moving the track, and I think that doesn't help you. Oh, you almost had it in first.
darn. No, Bone Shaker's still your leader. I mean, yeah.
There you go.
Third for Mega Rex. 50th anniversary of Bigfoot comes from the Playset. Oh!
Ooh.
Seconds.
All right.
Try to beat Bone Shaker. Oh, Bigfoot.
There you go.
Second. Nobody went in first.
Nobody went in first. Okay. Well, so what do you think of this playset?
This is real good than the oxygen playset you got behind you.
Yeah, you like this one better?
Yeah, this one is like way good.
Yeah, I definitely think you like this one. This one probably one of the better Hot Wheels play sets that they've come out with in recent years. So, congrats to Hot Wheels on that. You gotta make sure. You gotta make sure that is lined up. Okay.
Now it's like.
There you go. Now you put that in place.
Flip it.
Flip that in place. Yep. And then you can rotate.
Swing this around.
Swing that arm around.
This is way good than the other Hot Wheels playsets that we ever had. This is.
Yeah, I gotta say this playset's pretty cool. So this is very similar to the old loop tire loop playset they had, where you landed in the cup and you could kind of move the cup around. So
it's.
This is fixed though as far as the cup locations. So you want to say bye to the kids?
Bye.